Fixing Roblox not letting you join the games is a pretty simple thing to do, and I will be telling you exactly how you guys can do it. If you are new to the channel, like, subscribe, and share. So as you guys can see that I'm in my Roblox, and what thing is basically resisting me to launch a game. So first thing first, I don't have enough RAM or enough processing power to commute the game. So how you guys can actually get to know that if your PC has a actual RAM memory, or you have a strong processor and a GPU to power the game. So for that, simply press Control Shift and Escape button, and other than that, you can go to the taskbar and search for the task manager. Here you guys can see that it is all tasks that are currently running on my PC. So what I have to do is to go to the performance tab, and here you will see that I have currently 4.4 gigabytes of the RAM available, so I can play my games without any resistance and very seamlessly. So as you guys can see that my CPU has enough power to boost my games, to process it, to, to so there will be no resistance in the game. And the last but not the least, my GPU. So the GPU is very important as well, so you must need to see if your GPU has enough power to actually boost up your game. So if you don't have a strong GPU, then you won't be able to play the games. So this is it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.